It was fighting.
Okay, I took the downspouts down, and see there's a split in the back of the downspout which caused the wall and the stucco to rot. Well, the wall to rot, but the stucco to come out. So we're going to the lumber store, we'll get some new downspouts and some stucco patch. And the other side is same as this. Show you the other side. Some brickwork came out here, that's hardly nothing. But the other downspout is the same thing. See, it's rotting the wall. Okay, before I do the stucco, I'm doing the caulking along this edge here. And then I'll mix up the bit of stucco. I just got outside silicone. And I'm just filling in here. Okay, I'm going to mix a little bit of this stucco patch up in this pail here. Just enough for this should be enough for this side. It's almost to the right consistency now. A little mix more. That's about the right consistency now. Get the dropping so I don't have to, I'm not wasting anything. See, what I'm doing is I'm forcing it in so it grabs onto the stucco wire. I'm just letting this side dry. Now I'll show you the other side here. And what I discovered here. I've done some patching, we're going to get another tub. But as the line go up, see it's cracky. But this here is some old brittle caulking. I can hammer it off with the hammer. And what I'm going to do is put the stucco patch just along this edge here on this side. Okay, what I'm doing now is I'm whitewashing the stain. I put some stucco mix and watered it down more, and I'm just going to brush it on. Blend it into the wall. I'm just blending it in a bit. See, I'm just going to add some more water in that. Just blend it in. I'll show you on the bottom here. Look at how much. That's what I mean. Tarp it good. So this is the next day, and it's dry now. And this is what it looks like. So now just putting on the eaves troughing again. Well, I'm done the job. Finished stuccoing, and I put the downspout on. I even put the some screws in it there, holding it up. The whitewash matched pretty good here. This is a little bit faded though. You can see that the sand is coming out in the dash here. But the whitewash will fade a bit. See if you can see it there.